Welcome to my video about applying technology in the classroom using Explain Everything. What I'm going to talk about is going to be unscripted, pretty much like it is whenever I teach a lesson. I know where I'm headed, I know where I'm going, I make a lot of mistakes, I have to scrub my video clean sometimes, but this is what it's like when I make a video. So I'm also going to be experimenting a little bit because I have a few days to create this video. So I'm going to show you something I just figured out. I'm not sure exactly how much it works, but I'm going to install? No, I'm going to include a video of me talking so that it's kind of like picture in picture. And this is how I do my videos for my class without the picture in picture, but I'm usually like in my bedroom at home or hopefully at my desk at school. And this is the fanciest I've ever done a video because I have all these pictures here that I can show my students if I ever need to include a picture, or I don't know, they like to see pictures of themselves. Here's a picture of the app that I use, Explain Everything. It's not free, but completely worth it. And I've had this app for like over a year, and I don't know everything about it. I'm still trying to figure things out, but I love it. Love, love, love. And I got a new stylus, so it was a little bit expensive, but I think it's going to get good use. So on to my video. Once I send a video, or once I'm done with it and I save it, I send it to YouTube, and it gets posted to YouTube, I guess, so the whole world can see it. But I get the link and I post the link to Edmodo. So when the kids open up their Edmodo page, they'll see like what I posted for them. And a lot of times they don't find it on their own. They have to ask, where is it? I don't see it. I have to tell them specifically what it says so that they'll know which one, because I have several. People also just post random things, and that keeps it kind of social, as long as it's not really inappropriate. Also, the to-do list that I give them every week, I put it on Edmodo too. And that, let me show you what one of those looks like. I give the kids a weekly planner. Kind of looks like this. So on Monday, they can see everything that they're doing for the week. I have it split up in two parts. On the right side, I have titles, like here's a good one right here, 9.1%. I have the content objective, the language objective, and the guiding question. I have that for each day. I don't think they really read this side ever, because over here on this side is where it has their activities. So, for instance, all of these activities here, they have a little T in the beginning. That means that belongs to Tuesday's assignment. As long as there's a T, that's for Tuesday. And then they got to Wednesday. They had one activity for Wednesday. On Thursday, they had a test. And then for Friday, they had these activities. So as they're working, they just check it off. Like they'll go to Edmodo, watch the video 9.1 that I posted. Once they're done with it, they check it off. Then they do the next thing, page 231, real world video. Do it, check it off when you're done. So I have these. Sometimes we do these things, like these vocabulary activities, we'll do them in class together. But if it's a video, like this one is a video, they do that. They can do that on their own, do the examples after it on their own. What I'm finding, because no method is perfect, kids are skipping watching the videos, or they're not taking notes. So what I've started to do, I've had to do this, is when I see them working on a lesson, I will Like if they're working on lesson 9.1, I'll say, you know what? Where's your notes from the video? Before you do this, I want to see your notes. And they'll tell me I left them at home, or they'll say they're in my other journal and they don't have them. I didn't watch the video. I didn't take notes. Well, you know what? You're going to do that right now before you do this activity, even if you've already done it. So the fact that I'm making them do that in class, that I'm making them go back, they see that as a waste of time. Hopefully they'll just do it the first time when it's on the list. They're treating the list like it's a buffet, and they're just picking the things they want to do. And I tell them, you can't do that. You have to do each one in order.